Imagine walking through a forest unlike any other. Instead of rustling leaves, you are surrounded by silence. Towering above you are massive stone columns. These are petrified trees, ancient forests turned to stone. They offer a glimpse into a time long before humans. They tell a story of dramatic climate change. Found worldwide, each has a unique story. They are a testament to nature's power to create and preserve. The transformation of wood into stone is a slow and remarkable process. It begins when trees die and are buried quickly by sediment. Mineral-rich water seeps through the sediment and into the wood. Minerals like silica, calcite, and pyrite fill the cellular spaces. This process, called permineralization, preserves the wood's structure. The wood turns to stone, maintaining its original form. Iron oxides create vibrant reds, oranges, and yellows. The result is a stunning array of colors and patterns. Petrified forests are scattered across the globe, each offering a unique glimpse into the Earth's past. One of the most famous is Petrified Forest National Park in Arizona, USA. This park boasts a vast collection of petrified logs, some over 200 feet long. The logs, primarily from the Triassic period, showcase a rainbow of colors due to the presence of various minerals. Another notable site is the Lesvos Petrified Forest in Greece. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to an entire fossilized ecosystem, including standing trees, branches, roots, and even leaves. The Lesvos Forest provides valuable insights into the subtropical forests that once covered the region millions of years ago. In Argentina, the Bosque Petrificado Sarmiento showcases petrified trees from the Jurassic period. These towering giants, some reaching over 100 feet in height, were once part of a dense forest that thrived in a warm and humid climate. The sheer scale of these fossilized trees is awe-inspiring. These are just a few examples of the many petrified forests found worldwide. Each site offers unique insights into past ecosystems, climates, and the incredible diversity of life that once existed on our planet. Petrified forests are like time capsules, preserving information about the Earth's past climates and ecosystems. Scientists can analyze the growth rings of petrified trees, just like they do with living trees. This analysis, known as dendrochronology, helps reconstruct past climate patterns. The size and spacing of the rings can reveal information about rainfall, temperature, and the frequency of droughts or floods. By studying the types of trees present in a petrified forest, scientists can also learn about the climate and environment that existed when those trees were alive. For example, the presence of ferns and cycads in a petrified forest suggests a warm and humid climate. Furthermore, fossilized leaves, seeds, and pollen found in and around petrified forests provide valuable clues about the types of plants that thrived in those ancient ecosystems. These fossils paint a picture of the biodiversity that existed millions of years ago. They help scientists understand how ecosystems have changed over time in response to environmental changes. The study of petrified forests is not limited to understanding the past. These ancient forests also hold valuable lessons for the future. By studying how past ecosystems responded to climate change, scientists can gain insights into how current ecosystems might react to ongoing and future climate change. This information is crucial for developing effective conservation strategies. For example, by understanding how plant species in petrified forests adapted to changing conditions, scientists can identify modern-day species that may be more resilient to climate change. This knowledge can inform conservation efforts and help protect vulnerable ecosystems. The study of past climates also helps refine climate models and improve our ability to predict future climate scenarios. Petrified forests, therefore, are not just relics of the past but also valuable resources for understanding and addressing present-day environmental challenges. By learning from the past, we can better prepare for the future and work towards a more sustainable relationship with our planet. Petrified forests are incredibly valuable, both scientifically and aesthetically. However, they are also fragile ecosystems that are threatened by a number of factors. Erosion, vandalism, and even the simple act of collecting petrified wood can damage these irreplaceable resources. Erosion is a natural process that can gradually wear away at petrified wood, exposing it to the elements and potentially leading to its destruction. Vandalism, unfortunately, is another threat. People sometimes carve their initials into petrified logs or even steal pieces of petrified wood, damaging these irreplaceable treasures. Even seemingly harmless activities like walking on petrified logs or collecting small pieces of petrified wood can contribute to their degradation over time. The weight of a person walking on a petrified log can cause it to crack or break. Protecting these ancient wonders for future generations requires a concerted effort. Many petrified forests around the world are now protected within national parks and monuments. These protected areas help regulate access, prevent vandalism, and promote responsible visitation. Education is also key to conservation. By teaching people about the importance of petrified forests and the threats they face, we can foster a sense of responsibility and encourage their protection. Many parks and museums offer educational programs, guided tours, and interpretive displays to raise awareness about petrified forests and promote their conservation. Scientific research is another important aspect of conservation. By studying the processes of petrification, erosion, and the impacts of human activities, scientists can develop more effective conservation strategies. This research can help identify areas that are most vulnerable to damage and guide management decisions to ensure the long-term preservation of these natural treasures. Petrified forests are more than just collections of rocks. They are windows into Earth's history, offering a glimpse into ancient ecosystems and the power of geological processes. They remind us of the constant changes our planet has undergone and the interconnectedness of life throughout time. By exploring these ancient forests, we embark on a journey through millions of years, marveling at the beauty and complexity of the natural world. But our responsibility goes beyond just appreciation. We must become stewards of these fragile treasures, protecting them for future generations. Whether it's through supporting conservation efforts, educating others, or simply choosing not to disturb these natural wonders during our visits, each of us can play a role in preserving these irreplaceable pieces of Earth's history. Let us ensure that these ancient forests, frozen in stone, continue to inspire wonder and provide valuable scientific insights for generations to come. Their preservation is not just about protecting the past, but also about safeguarding the future.